Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. Now I got this look using two products. One of the products I created last week in one of my other YouTube videos. It was a Shea Butter mix. And the other product I use is like Kinky Curly Custard, which I have not used in a while. I did a twist out and I'm going to show you how I came up with this look. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for returning. So let's get to this look.
So I start with 4 sections, 2 sections in the back, 2 in the front. And now I'm just going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. And I section each part of each section into smaller sections so I can then just start to moisturize my hair. I'm using the Shea Butter mix from the last video that I did. It's a mixture of unrefined shea butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. And I'm just going to do this for my entire head. Smooth the Shea Butter mix from root to end down the entire hair shaft. And as you can see, once I put the Shea Butter on my hands and then rub my hands together, the heat from my body actually melts the Shea Butter and it just glides onto my hair. And it's so easy to comb after this. Next, I'm using Kinky Curly Custard. I'm going to apply this to my hair from the root to the end. For this twist out, I decided to braid my hair at the root and then twist it from about the middle of the hair shaft. And then I just twirl it around my finger at the end. And just so you know, my hair is a little damp. I did spray it with the water bottle before adding the Kinky Curly Custard. And again, I'm just going to braid my hair from the root, midway down the hair shaft, and then I'm going to twist it. This way you don't get as much shrinkage once your hair is dry. For the front of my hair, I'm using the same technique, the 3-strand braid and then the double twist at the end of the braid with the twirl around the finger. Now I'm just flat twisting the top part of my hair so that when it dries, my hair lays flat. Okay guys, so it's the next day and hopefully my hair is completely dry. It actually feels dry. My curls look bouncy, they look moisturized. And now I'm going to start taking my hair down to see how the actual curls came out. Okay, so my curls came out pretty good. They're soft, they're shiny, they're bouncy. This is good. I'm going to use the Murray's Edge Wax to tame my edges. And the final step is just to use a soft scarf to make sure that my edges stay in place.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have to say, I think my curls came out pretty good. They're pretty defined. So I will be using this combination again. I do love my look. Maybe I can get through the rest of the week with it. We will see how that goes. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.